Okay, hello everyone, welcome to Botany National channel. Now in this particular video lecture, we will understand or actually we will observe what are the different morphological structures are there which helps the plant to save itself. That is the structures which are helpful in the morphological structures which are helpful in the plant defense. As you know, plant defense you have to study whether it's the morphological defense or the chemical defense. It is given in our UPSC mains syllabus. So observe here this particular specific plant. The leaf margins of these plants are getting converted into the spines in order to deter the herbivores. Herbivores cannot easily eat this because of the presence of spines. And carefully observe the spines. Spines are nothing but the modification of their leaf margin. The leaf margin is getting modified into the spines so that it will not be eaten by the herbivores. So this is the primary structure which get involved in the defense of the plant, because here these spines are literally saving these plants from the herbivores. Okay, and you have to remember these plants are doing this by modifying their leaf margins. Okay, this is important that the leaf margin is getting modified, and that is why these plants are able to save themselves from the predators, right? Now consider this second example, which is from the acacia plant. Okay, and see how many spines are there. Actually, if you count the spines, it will be equal in the number of the leaves which are present on this particular plant. Okay, this will literally deter the herbivore from feeding on this particular plant. But here one thing is very important to understand. Here whatever the spines you are seeing, these spines are not the modification of the leaves or the leaf margin. These are the modifications of the stipules which are there on the plant. Okay, so at the base of the leaf you will find there is a presence of stipule, and this stipule typically gets converted into the spine. Okay, if you observe carefully, observe the how the stipule is getting converted into the sharp spines. Okay, and these spines will literally help this plant to deter the herbivores. So when we talk about the morphological defense, these acacia species have converted their stipules into the very hard spines. Well, the second reason behind this particular adaptation may be the scarcity of water, because here we have the xerophytic conditions, and generally acacia plants are the xerophytic plants. So in order to reduce the water through the transpiration also, this type of the adaptation can be done. But one thing is sure, these spines are typically very helpful in regarding the deterring the predators or the herbivores away from this particular plant. Okay, so carefully observe how the spines are there, and these spines are nothing but the modification of a stipule, and they are helping in two ways. The very first is to deter the herbivores or the predators, and the second is to reduce the water loss through the transpiration process. Okay.